Hey guys, Randy here, digital marketer, aka the Monetize Your Life guy. And this is another reason why I want you to be absolutely unafraid to earn a good living online. Here, I just got to notice this, real early in the morning. It's like 4 in the morning and 3:55 to be exact. And so I get up to a really good notice, and that's right here, right? It says KDP royalty payment notification. There's nothing better than having your online platforms tell you they're sending you money. That's awesome. So, and when I talk about earning a good living online and why we need to be absolutely unafraid to pursue this is because I have the belief that you can earn all of your money online, right? And we now have the capabilities. I'm going to be doing a really short course on this really, really soon. And I tell you, I'm super excited. I'm going to show you some other examples of how you can start earning a good living online. And I'm going to start showing you some of the little formulas, the little things that you can do every single day to pursue that end, even if you're working a full time job, even if you have no knowledge of how to do this. This is why, I'm going to be doing everything I can to help you and pull you toward that particular outcome. This is just one of those things that imagine if you were traveling the world, if you were living life the way the heck you want to, and you get notices like this all the time. Now, this happens to be for some products that I have on Amazon, but I'm going to show you in another video how you can get these kind of sales from other places. Now, I will tell you that a lot of this isn't typical. It all depends on how hard you work and some other factors. So this is not a promise that this will happen for you, but I can say and you can see that is possible. And anytime we have an opportunity to see that it's possible, that somebody else is doing it, somebody that makes no claim to be special, right? Then you can do it. And this is my hope for you. I'm going to go ahead and show you some other items that I'm making some good money from online. And what we want to do is start setting up a really good schedule so that you make this money every single day. That's one of the key things. And once we start doing the math, we see it, right? The math won't lie to us. We know what the job pays or has paid us. We're going to just plug that number in, and then now our pursuits is to go out there and try to find all of the areas where we can bring in that kind of money, but with the added flexibility of doing it from our home, doing it while we're traveling, doing it wherever the heck we are. Okay, so hey, listen, I'm going to go ahead and send you over to some of the other areas that I'm making money on, and I want to show you through the course how you can too. All right, now here's another one, and this one right here is from some other digital products that I have on in another platform. And this is again, it's just the idea that you can start earning online. And I tell you, it's a great feeling when you get these emails. And I've had some since then. So this is what I'm talking about. Now it'll tell you what particular course or what particular product that you have out there that it's paying you on. It keeps a track of that good stuff. It will send you all of the your information at the end of the year so you can pay your taxes on that stuff. And again, why I want to have you earning all of your money online or the majority of your money online is because you can be doing something like what I'm doing right now, literally early in the morning, studying, learning, finding new avenues to earn a good living online. So that's one from, I think this is the Gumroad account. I'm going to show you from another account here. Let me pull that up. This one right here is $6. Right now, you look at these and you go, well, wait a minute, that's only $6. But the ideal is that you have multiple areas sending you money. That's the key part. Multiple places sending you money. Right now, you've already seen that there's multiple, places where money is coming in. And that's what you're creating. You're constantly creating these little things that bring you money in. Now, the whole big goal is to have a whole bunch of cash coming in per day. Now, my goal, of course, is to have a lot of this coming in. But imagine if you had, I don't know, let's say you had $50 a day coming in, right, from different sources, $50 a day. Now, let's times $50 a day from multiple sources, right? So 50 times $50 a day. Let's say you're doing $50 a day and you do just 365 days, right? Now that's $18,250. Nice little part-time job for you. But what if you had $50, 20, 30, 40, $50 a day? Let's just use, let's say 25. That's half of that. But then you had 52 different products out there. Think about that. Each one. So now you got $25 a day times 52 different products. And now let's multiply that times 365. All right. So let's go ahead and let me do the math here. So $25 a day multiplied times 52 different products. And I say 52 because, I wanted to make sure that I had a product a week that I was producing and I was creating. And so now 52 times 365. Now that's $474,000 a day, right? So the idea is that if you had all of these different products that were sending you money in, you had 52 different digital products out there. Let's just say 52 because I like you to be able to create once a week. And what I'm going to be showing you is how to create even once a day. That's, let's be quiet about that. But how to really, really create these products, get them out there so they can start earning for you. And you can start getting these notices. Here's another one from, I have a couple of podcasts. And then here's one of the podcasts. So you get $22.47 that goes into your wallet, right? From some advertising or for somebody that is subscribed to your show that wants to, go ahead and pay you because they really appreciate the work that you're doing. So imagine this now. You've got these multiple areas. It could be products or it could be platforms. And I'm not even getting into how you're going to be able to go on, Commission Junction. You're going to be able to go on ClickBank. You're going to be able to go on, Max Web. All these other potential areas that you can earn from. And what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to create these little digital and online assets so that they're all out there positioned to help you earn that great living, that good living online. I tell you, I want you to be totally and 100% unafraid to go out there and do these things, right? Now, I'm going to make sure that this course that I send you is priced so you can succeed, that it is priced in a way that you go, wait a minute, that thing didn't cost a lot of money and I'm getting massive, massive return on it. That's my hope. I can't promise that you're going to earn this. Some of these earnings aren't, traditional. Some of these earnings aren't totally expected. But if you put in the work, I'm thinking that you can get a result. Okay? All right. Hey, listen, I'm going to go ahead and start sending this money to the bank and collecting on this stuff. And again, I'm going to be doing some more work in this area to show you some of the other ways that you can earn a good living online. All right, let's talk again then.